I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your SIM card on Otwo can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Prepare your new SIM card. Make sure you have your new SIM card ready. It should be compatible with your device and activated by Otwo. Step 2. Back up your data. Before you switch SIMs, back up any important data on your phone. This can include contacts, messages, and photos. Step 3. Power off your device. Turn off your phone to avoid any potential issues while changing the SIM card. This ensures a smooth transition. Step 4. Remove the old SIM card. Locate the SIM card tray on your device. Use the SIM eject tool or a paperclip to gently remove the tray and take out the old SIM card. Step 5. Insert the new SIM card. Place the new SIM card into the tray, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinsert the tray into your device and power it back on. Check for signal to confirm it is working. Remember, if your phone doesn't recognize the new SIM, you may need to restart it again or check the SIM settings. Good luck with your new SIM card.